if you are a fan of collage books as I am, that means that you fussy cutting quite a lot and you're probably pro at cutting the images from the books. However, we all know that some of the elements are pretty small, they're very detailed, and it's hard to use scissors only. So I hope that my video is gonna come handy. These are my two favorite scissors. One is from Tim Holtz, one is from Singer. I absolutely love them both, use them both. Here are some craft knives to test out today. Now these are the two that I owned for the last years, and these are the three different types that I purchased for the video. Especially the hardest to get was this one. I couldn't find it on Amazon, and these were on Amazon. This is from, I think it was from Craftelier, the same as this brand of this thing, whatever that is. So let's just start and let's just see how we can actually cut easier the images from our books. So let's see which actually knife seems to be best, which is better, how to work with it, how they act. Now the thing is that probably it's gonna be so much easier if we're gonna use the whole page instead of fussy cutting all and then just the tiny element here. This brand is very well known, Fiskars. I do like it, the blade is removable and all. However, for me it always felt very much big, and I couldn't really maneuver it as well as I wish, and it felt always somehow unsafe. I don't know. Then a similar story, some different regular craft knife. Let's see. Again, even in holding, this one is the hardest because it feels that I hold it very near the actual crafting blade. Never liked this one really, and it cuts well, it does cut well, it does the job. Of course, it does both of them. However, I was on the lookout for some smaller blades, and let's see this one first. I was hoping for some kind of pen, for some kind of safer option. Just be careful, Marta. Ooh! Wow, it looks that there's no blade in it. What? It is, and it's hidden a lot. Like there's only a tip, like tiny thing. Let's see. Okay, the tiny tip. Oops, I already cut her leg. I can't see where I'm cutting, so that's that's pretty difficult. I can't really see. No, I can't see where I'm cutting. Let's try again. Maybe you have to get used to it. No, you really, like, it does cut. It also is, it also is making some sort of no, you can't see what you're doing with that, honestly. I can't tell where am I cutting because, let's try it again. It's only fair to give it a go. It also kind of, no, it does cut, but you have to really think twice before using it. So, not so great. This one was from Amazon. I like the safety of it because the knife is really hidden there. So that's great. Now, I don't know, left, top or right, I don't know. This one, I have to be honest, I opened one already once and used tiny bit because I needed it, and I think it was the white one, and day later this was like that, so that's already was like, oops, that's not the safest, but maybe. Price was, it was quite cheap, so the blade is tiny, but it's oh, what happened here? I'm so sorry guys, I haven't seen that this turned in any 1 second. I'm so sorry, I never noticed. I don't know when the actual camera moved, so I think I'm gonna jump in back with this one. So I wanted to show you, this blade is tiny and it's tiny and it feels safer, but when you're using it, you really can't see, and you can't really go maneuver it either. So for straight lines, yes, but that's about it. Like, then we have this one, which I've said it that I tried this one and the white one broke down. This blade is super sharp and it's very tiny, but it's also really dangerously out. But you can most definitely see better where you cut in, and can you actually like what I'm probably looking for, and I'm hoping this will work this way, it's something that turns around so you can, like, because this all feels that it's one-sided, so you have to, like, kind of, I nearly destroyed her, I can see it, you nearly, it doesn't turn into around it, you know, it doesn't feel that you can do if I want, let's say, like this and go around it. It just doesn't feel this maneuverable. I don't know. I have big hopes for Stamperia. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I think this one is, it's you see, it's a little different. It's ceramic cutter pen. So, for washi sheets, scrapbooking paper, cardboard, rub-on, patchwork stencils, and many other craft materials, it stays sharp, never rusts. One press of the cutter head can be hidden. More safe. The ceramic cutter is finger friendly. One press of the cutter head can be hidden. Oh yeah, as in this. Oh, so it's the same as this one. It's just that it's ceramic, not metal. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. One second. Let's compare that. Okay, I couldn't move that much. Let's see here. Oops. Nah, do you know what? They're just the same, truly. It feels that it's the same. I don't know what's the difference between ceramic and metal, but it doesn't go around its own selves. I thought that this is turning around. It isn't. I don't know why I thought it is. Maybe it feels slightly more delicate in hands and easier to cut, but the difference is like maybe, let's see, maybe I can maneuverate. Nah guys, it's the same thing. No, it's the same thing as I've got this whole pack of them, you know. Okay, it's prettier. It feels that it's better quality in terms of how, like, this broke, right? This, it just has to be closed down better. I don't know, guys, honestly. The actual blade feels exactly the same in a sense. I don't know if I can, if there's, one second, if that makes, what a weird cut. Is that because of my left and right hand? One second. Oops. No, yeah, it is because of my left and right hand. I don't know what to tell you guys. I really thought they're gonna be different. I was having high hopes for the Stamperia one. I'm not disappointed. I'm just saying that it feels exactly as those Amazon unbranded stuff. So I would say go for one of these, I'd say. Either the branded Stamperia, or these are unbranded on Amazon. I found another one, but I can't find it here, and I had one more set to test, but I just lost it on the desk. And there was similar to this 5 pens, but I can't see them anywhere right now, so it's okay, but they were very much like these. I do prefer the pen over the craft knives, that's for sure. I like the fact that the blade is hidden. The pity that you can't see. If this would be transparent, that would make a great thing, but it's close to impossible with these to make waves. What about this? Is it easier? I guess it's somehow easier to make waves with it than the... Oops. Oh, Ginny Mac, don't tell me I did. I think I already... Oh, it started to moving. No, it's moving this... I think I already broke the top. It's not as sharp anymore. Just because I pressed it kind of under a bad angle and it broke. So, do you know what? Now I'm gonna probably say that the metal one seems to be more secure in that sense, because you won't break the metal unless you like fell down. This, it chipped. The top chipped. It really did. I can't believe it. It's not much visible, but it chipped. So, what can I say? I'm gonna probably be using those for sure. These, the metal ones. This chipped, so I don't like that, because imagine if this chipped in a bigger scale. Not only you're gonna lose your knife to use, but you may as well lose your eye if this chips elsewhere than your craft desk. I don't know how I feel about it, but it chipped for definite. I just gently pressed it on the other direction or whatever. So it's not secure. I wouldn't trust that. Very, very weird now feeling about it, to be honest. I think I feel safer with just a regular metal right now, especially they cut really the same. They really do cut the same. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with my Amazon. So that's it about our test. Definitely, if you have craft knives and you wish to do more precision in between the legs, for example, you'll be happier with pen like that, because it's smaller blade, it feels like it's a pen. So from that point of view, most definitely. Would I go for the branded one? At this point, no, unless I'm doing something wrong, unless I hear that this was just a pure accident. Maybe Stamperia will say something, but I'm just surprised right now that it chipped, you know. And I've seen people using it, loving it, but this is no longer sharp. This won't, look, it's no longer sharp. This, I can't do that because it would probably, yeah. It is sharp as in it's gonna work, but the tip is not there. Wow. Okay, I wonder your thoughts. Let me know if you have any experience with any of these, or maybe there is a tool, pen, craft tool, craft pen, knife, something. Leave me the link, leave me the name. I'm gonna test it out, I'm gonna buy it and see. For now, I'm gonna stay with my Amazon buy, surprisingly, and enjoy the little cuts with these pens. I'm all ears. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you think that video of this kind, or actually, you know what, on the safest note, if you feel that this may open up or something, like it doesn't want to do it now, but if you feel like it may open up the same as the white one, maybe put a little bit of a tape around it just to make it safer, you know, because it's a blade at the end of the day. So let me know if video of this is somehow helpful to you. I know someone mentioned that I should have a glass one mat. I don't have the small glass mat, so that's why I use this one. This is the reason I purposely purchased it for the cutting, you know. But is it craft mat worse than The glass mat, I don't like the touch of knife and a glass together. It just makes my body, like, I don't like that sound and feel glass with the metal together cutting on it. It just doesn't feel okay to me personally. But anyway, if you have any suggestions, if you have any other better tools, if you wish me to test something out, I will do that. And in the meantime, have you seen the new fairies? We have Fairy Volume 1, there is Fairy Volume 2 on the way, but not yet. But we had Fairies in Blooms. If you haven't seen, go and check it. It's gorgeous. Let me know your thoughts. Would you like more videos of this kind? A little bit of testing out. And I wish to hear from you. And let me know if you have any tools to test out. I'll purchase it and test it out for you. Bye for now, my beautiful friends. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cutting. And I'll speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye for now. Bye, bye, bye.